This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shari Abbott. Absolutely stunning home, featuring the wildly popular Siena floor plan in the gated community of Kerrington in Viera. You will love the versatile open living spaces, spacious room sizes and attention to details throughout. It's got that wow factor. The dining room has a beautiful planked wine display wall including a built-in humidor for the cigar/wine enthusiast and a stacked stone bar west/fireplace creating that cozy vibe. Gourmet kitchen west/quartz countertops, white shaker cabinets west/slow close, microwave/oven west/convection, gas range, canopy vent, walk-in pantry, island west/seating and large cafe. Great room has triple sliders to covered lanai with summer kitchen and huge fenced-in yard west/only one direct neighbor. 2+ car garage so your golf cart and toys will fit. See features list for more. For more information, review the details below.